Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I telling you how I upload our documents and many more things on our Google Drive. Let's start. First we need a Gmail account, and after creating Gmail account, please open Play Store option, then type Drive. Please install in this Drive. I already installed this. After installation Google Drive, please open it. After open it, then click on this, then upload option. Please choose any option, but I choose gallery option. Then after clicking it, I choose this photo. Just a minute waiting for this. Now click in it, waiting. Your photo has successfully uploaded on our Google Drive. Thank you for watching this video. Please share our channel and subscribe this. Thank you.